Namaste. खुश रहो बेटिया. Our today's topic of the session is benefit of ERP from the subject of e-commerce and ERP. So we have discussed about what is ERP and why do I need ERP system, and we will see how it affect the organization benefits. Okay, so now we'll see what is the benefit of ERP. The ERP packages promise the seamless integration of all information flowing through the organization. They are becoming the fastest growing softwares in the world. The ERP vendors like SAP, Oracle, BAN, Quad, JD Edward, PeopleSoft are in demand for their packages. The main task of ERP system is to deliver products to the companies to manage their internal and external function efficiently. So some point we will discuss how ERP helps in organization. The first is improved efficiency. This is achieved by reduction of cycle time, inventory reduction order, fulfillment, improving support to supply chain management. The second is business integration. It helps in business integration. ERP packages are integrated, that is exchange of data among related business component is possible. In the large companies timing of system construction, directive differs for each product and better decision it is better decision making. The decision making procedures become easier because of highly structured programmed process. The process governs day-to-day operation and produces reports in a structured form which are further used by top management of organization to meet with its basic goal and objectives and to monitor the whole organization. So it is also quick response time to customer. The system is easy to operate so that not much computer skills are required to handle the operations. Because of its comprehensive nature, the system avoid unnecessary duplication and redundancy in data gathering and storage. Thus, the response time to customer is reduced. The next benefits of ERP is business integration. It creates the common database across the organization which is used by various departments within the organization. The ERP supports the flow of information within the department automatically. This business integration capabilities makes it easy to group business details in real time and carry out various types of management decision in time. The support system like DSS can use this common database. Thus, information and the data are on the fingertip of the top level management. It has capacity to analysis and planning capabilities. Though different types of decision support system and simulation function, ERP makes the analysis of data easier. The DSS also support the middle and top management for tactical and strategic planning. It, helps, it also helps in technology support. Utilization of latest development information technology technology is quickly. It adapted the ERP packages, distributed system, open system, client server technology, internet, intranet, e-commerce, and so on. Now we will see what is the reason for failure of ERP implementation. When organizations fail to allot sufficient investment for the enterprise resource planning software that they use the approach can affect the functionalities and efficiency of departments. In this regard, it is important that corporations create a policy that will protect the file stored in the system to prevent experiencing the common problems associated with ERP. One of the disadvantages of enterprise resource planning is that the use of software that will manage the activities of organization can affect the workflow, competitive advantage, and employee morale. In addition, the implementation of this approach is very expensive and very risky. Since the files activities and corporate reports are centralized, there is high possibility that some important and confidential files could be lost. While advantage usually outweigh disadvantage for most organizations implementing an ERP system, but some few are disadvantages which we will discuss. The first is integrated data model. So customization in many situations is limited. The need to re-engineer business process. This is also the disadvantage in ERP system. ERP system can be cost prohibitive to install and run. The fourth one is technical support can shoddy, and the fifth one is ERPs may be too rigid for a specific organization that are either new or want to move in a new direction in the near future. Thank you, class. This is all of for this class. I hope you like my session. This session is provided by Digital Version 2.0 from Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, Women University. If any queries regarding this session, please comment below. Thank you.